guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews and this is my IPSY bag. I also have my Cult Crushes and my BoxyCharm videos, so make sure you check out those as well. So I like the bag this month. It's cute and yellow and bright and fun. In fact, the theme for IPSY is Pride, and they have a little thing, and because it is Pride month. So one of the things I was actually really excited to see was this nail polish. This is from a company called Pretty Woman, and the shade that I have is Private Jet, which is this neon yellow. And I have it on a couple of my nails. This is what happens when I do gels, because I just peel them off and then I replace the peeled nails with other nail polish. It's kind of a thin formula, so like this was the first nail I painted and it literally took me 4 coats, and even then I felt like it wasn't completely opaque. And then I tried putting it over different colors to see if maybe that would help. I don't have like a yellow nail polish because I think that would probably work best, or even a white. Anyway, it has, you know, it's cruelty free and has none of the bad stuff in it that, you know, it's vegan and blah, blah, blah. So I wish that it wasn't quite so thin because I do think that it's a fun color. The next thing in here is a LUXIE brush. This is the 245 small shader, and it is fairly thin and wide, and it is definitely a small shader and it's dense, so it is really good for like packing on color. This would also be good for like concealer. I like using it under my eyebrow, you know, just getting like the brow bone right there. So, you know, it's a handy dandy brush that you could use for all sorts of things, and I do love my LUXIE brushes. This is Formula 1006 3 times Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash Scrub Mask Pink Grapefruit and Jojoba. I'm not sure what this is actually called because that is a really long name. Anyway, this is a brand that is inexpensive. Almost all of their products, which they do have a lot of different products, are geared toward anti-acne stuff. So I feel like this is like a good teenager line, you know, because it's inexpensive and it's geared toward acne. So I don't know. And I did use it and I thought that it was fine. It's pretty heavily fragranced, not in a bad way. Like, it doesn't smell like perfume, but it was just like, wow, that smells really strong. I like the exfoliation and it seemed to work fine and my skin felt soft and everything. I don't know. It's just one of those brands that I'm like, you're okay. The ingredient list isn't my favorite. There's nothing terrible about it, but I feel like it's not something that I would run out and purchase for myself. But if you have a teenager who wants some inexpensive products and has acne, I guess, maybe it's something to look into. That's my take on it. This is from KVOSS, and this is Macaroon lip gloss, and this is definitely oil-based. This is going to not be like a creamy, waxy type of a lip balm. It's very much oily. It's got, you know, like coconut oil and jojoba and I can't remember what else. And it is vegan and cruelty-free and all that good stuff, and it smells really good. Not strong, like a light coconutty kind of a scent. And I have it on my lips. I've been putting on my lips a lot. It actually lasts longer than I thought it would, being oil-based, because usually oils like this feel nice and they give you a little bit of a shine on your lips, but they don't last very long. But this one, I don't know, I really like it. And I was reading up on the brand, and it's, you know, I mean, they have some interesting products and I like the idea behind it and everything. So I don't know, I like this. I like it more than I thought that I would. And then this one is actually really interesting. This is called Finding Ferdinand, and this is a little baby lipstick, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. But the interesting thing about this is that you can create your own lipstick. You go on their website and they have some base colors, and then you can mix up to 3 of them and, you know, say I want a lot of this, a little of this, or, you know, however, and make your own custom color. They will also try to color match, like if you have a lipstick that you love that has gone out of production or whatever, you can show them, say, here, this is the color that I want, and they will try to recreate it for you. A full-size lipstick is like $30, and then the minis I think are $6, which $30 for a lipstick is kind of expensive, but the fact that you get to create your own custom lipstick I think is really neat. And the formula on this is really nice. They also have 3 different finishes. They have cream, matte, and sheer. This one is, I would guess, like a cream or a sheer. It is a really pretty color. Here, I'll swatch it for you. It is a really pretty color, and I've worn it several times. I like the way that it feels. It has a little specks of gold in it, and it's just a nice pinky rose kind of a color. It feels really nice. I like it, and I think that it's an interesting idea behind the brand. So anyway, that is my IPSY. Let me know what you guys got in your bags and what you thought of everything, and definitely don't forget to check out my BoxyCharm and my cult crushes, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!